Hello! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark right here, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by this icon changing the color basically to blue, being highlighted. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon again, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings on your watch. So, let's open the settings. You can do it by swiping down on the screen to open the quick panel, then tapping on the settings icon. Here you can scroll down, find the option called DND mode, tap on it, and here we have a couple of options. First we have enable, and if you tap on the switch next to it, tap on the check mark, you will enable the mode. If you tap on it again, you will disable it. Next we have scheduled DND, and this allows us basically to make a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, when it should turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So if you want to do it rather, enable the scheduled DND, tap on check mark, and then you will see the start time and end time. Tap on start time, set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, like this. The minutes one is a bit wonky for some reason, doesn't work too well. Okay. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. Next, tap on the end time and set the end time to your liking, like this. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 7 a.m. And the last option we have is the Smart DND. And what this option does is basically if you enable it and you watch the text that you're sleeping, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically, and when it detects that you're waking up or you woke up, it will turn it off automatically. So basically it depends on your sleeping. That's how this mode works. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.